All right, here we go. Round number 2, Zung Ho left side, Bo Gentile on the right side. This is for a spot in the semis of heavyweights. Oh, man, Bo tattooed him on the tree. It's going to be Bo on a hole shot. 850 to a quicker 845. Bo Gentile is headed to the semis. Wheels up, Michael Kelly. Big front almost missing. She's pulling over, and she is stopping, looks like. 794. Again, folks, disregard the speed down there as the left lane quarter-mile power center is offline at the current moment, so it is giving the false mile per hour. It has no bearing on a lap's time or the outcome of the race. Here we go. Owen Priest, George Benson. Oh, man, George left him on the start line. 761, 182 miles per hour for George Benson. Ooh. Problems there for Todd Fulmer. But he is the winner. Here we go. Michael Kelly, Bo Gentile. Michael in the start line of fans, but there he goes. 1,845 miles per hour. George Benson will have lane choice in the heavyweight final. Who will advance to the final of heavyweights? All semifinals should be in the staging lanes. All semifinals should be in the staging lanes. There we go. Todd Fulmer falls back. 182. George Benson is going to the final to face either Michael Kelly or Bo Gentile. They're both Cadillac CTSVs. Michael Kelly from Georgia, George Benson from New York. As a matter of fact, they're 09 Cadillac CTSVs. So here we go, your first fight on TX2K23. Building the boost. They're set. Oh man, Michael Kelly got him on the tree. George Benson, 760. George Benson wins heavyweights.